everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious, creamy salmon tandoori style fish tikka. This is salmon tikka, Atlantic salmon with tandoori style tikka. So as you see, it's very delicious, very mouth-watering. Today I'm going to share with you air fryer recipe, and I'm going to make salmon tandoori style salmon fish tikka, and it will be creamy fish tikka. The way I'm going to make it, I'm going to use original cream cheese. This is 8 ounce Atlantic salmon. This is frozen and it's individually vacuum packaged in each bag. So I'll put these bags in cold water and we're going to let it sit for like a half an hour, change a couple times water. So once there is no more ice, then we'll make bite-sized pieces. We're going to use onion, carrot, potatoes and cauliflower. You can use any vegetable. The spices for masala dabba to bring tandoori a fish tikka color. I'm going to use some food color and cilantro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And this is how the Atlantic salmon, and these are frozen. Nice size pieces. So this is a 3 pound of Atlantic salmon. Place it in the bowl like this. Add cold water. So after 10 minutes or so, I'll change the water again. Cauliflower, onion, potatoes, carrots, I cut into smaller pieces. Cream cheese. I took it out, I left it outside the room temperature. Salmon pieces, I drained the water, and there is no more ice. This is what we're going to do. When we're going to make a tikka, we're going to make 4 pieces. We're going to cut right in the middle. Then we're going to cut right here, just like this. We need like this big pieces. I'll do the same thing with all other pieces. So we're going to cut the salmon pieces like about this size. Get a mixing bowl. Add cream cheese. This is very important. When you add cream cheese, it should be at room temperature. Just like this. Salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and cilantro. Mix it really well. This is one of the reasons I said room temperature. So it's easy to mash it. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add the food coloring. Add 1/4 teaspoon food color and mix it well. And this is going to bring a tandoori color. So this is going to be our coating. We'll add the salmon pieces. Once we added all the salmon pieces, and very soft hand, nicely, just like this. Keep it moving, keep mixing. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely, each pieces are coated. So it's very important that we're going to use our hand. Now we're going to make sure that the cream cheese is coated with all the pieces. So this is what I have done with each salmon pieces. Added the cream cheese. Now we have leftover cream cheese. We're going to add all the vegetables. We're going to grab all the vegetable and we're going to place it inside. We're going to mix it well. So that way, all the cream cheese, all the spices we added into the cream cheese, that's going to give us a nice coating to the vegetable. This is what we need. If there is any extra, then we're going to take it out and we'll place it inside, and this is how it's going to look. And let it sit on a countertop for 10 minutes. This is the air fryer I'm going to use. It's called OMMO. This is a very nice air fryer. Video posted on my other channel. Quick review and unboxing. So please check it out. And it's called OMMO. And this is the rack. And these are the metal skewers. So we're going to open it. I'll take this tray out. We're not going to use these trays. There is one tray we're going to keep it at the bottom. This is very good thing about this air fryer, that you can keep the tray at the bottom, so any dripping that will get collected here, and it's very easy to clean it. So we have rack here, and these are the metal skewers we're going to use. The salmon pieces, as you've seen, it's nicely coated. All the vegetables is also coated with the spices. Grab the metal skewer. First we're going to put cauliflower. Add potato. Nice size salmon. Carrot. Onion. Grab another nice big salmon piece. Potato. As you see, this is all ready. So once we are done, we'll place it right here, just like this. And I'm going to keep doing the same thing. We're going to add whatever vegetable you like potatoes. Then you want cauliflower, onion, salmon, potato, onion, carrot, salmon, potato, onion. So as you see, this is how it looks. So I'll place in the plate, and I'm going to finish up doing all these metal skewers the same way. So as you see, we are all done. Now I'll place these skewers. This is a really good one. I like it. You place it here. Once we're going to start cooking, it will keep rotating, and it's going to be cooked to the perfection. Two more. And this is the last one. So we are all done, and now I'll open up the air fryer. Air fryer is ready, and now we're going to place this one. One tip I wanted to share with you: when you're going to put this rack inside, this is the most important thing you need to watch out. This side will go on the left side, and it goes on the right side, which is the hanger. When you're going to put it in, this will go first into the socket, then you drop the hanger. Then it will sit there and it will rotate. This is most important during the lifting. You lift from this side, then you go like this, then you take it out. Lift, then pull. When you're going to insert it, push, then drop. One more time. Go in this way, push it, then drop it. That is the right way of doing it. You can put it reverse also, which is like this. Then you drop it, but this is not a correct way. During the cooking, this will drop. So make sure side goes on the left and this side goes in the hanger. This tip is very important, so I wanted to share with you. Right inside the air fryer. Any extra dripping, just make sure that clean it. We're going to close it, and good thing is you can see it, everything inside. So we're going to start it, and this one has a preset settings, and we're going to look for fish, and it's a 390 Fahrenheit at 20 minutes, and we're going to start with convection, and as you see, started. Turn the light on and you can see it inside how it's doing, and look at this. So now we're going to wait for 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, our creamy salmon tandoori style tikka will be done. As you heard, this is the last beat. It's going to turn off, and if we notice at the bottom, it's also stopped spinning. We are waiting for the final. Now it's turned off. Since it's hot, we're going to leave it inside for 5 minutes. Once it's going to cool down, then we're going to take it out. When we're going to pull the basket out, this tool is provided. And how to use it? You put this one on left end and one on right end. Just like this, and left, and then you pull it out. So this is how the tool works. We waited for 5 minutes. As you see, it's smoking. So just be careful when you are taking it out. Look at this, very delicious. Perfect. Very delicious. Creamy salmon tandoori style fish tikka. This is salmon tikka, Atlantic salmon with tandoori style tikka. So as you see, it's very delicious, very mouth-watering. Once it's cooled down, then we can take it out. This is very delicious. This is very delicious and very easy to make. Wow, look at this. Creamy salmon. Prior to serving, it's always a good idea. Add some fresh lemon juice. And this is very delicious. Please try it. And as you've seen, it's so easy to make. If you like salmon tandoori style fish tikka, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.